Welcome to the Cognita Connect app. This app is designed to help you stay informed, connected, and involved in your child's school life, all in one place. Let's start with your profile. This is where you can personalize your experience and access key information at a glance. From your main dashboard, just tap the round icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the user icon right next to your name and picture. Want to change your password? Tap the key icon, change it to the new password, and then tap the floppy disk to save. Just a quick note, please don't update your profile details directly from this section. Instead, use the Change of Contact Details form, which you'll find under the Forms section in the app. On your personal dashboard, two of the most important features to take note of are Forms, where you can view and complete any forms the school has shared with you regarding your child, including the Change of Contact Details form. The Parents' Evening Bookings. Despite the name, this feature lets you do much more than book parent-teacher meetings. You can also authorize trips, register for after-school activities, sign up for events, and more, all in just a few taps. Please note, this icon will open a built-in external app called School Cloud. To exit this app, just tap the X in the top left corner to return to Cognita Connect. How to check and manage your notifications with just a few taps. Tap the bell icon at the top right of your screen. Here, you'll see all your recent notifications. Tap Mark All as read to clear new alerts. Tap Delete All if you want to start fresh. And of course, tap on any individual message to read more. Let's explore the settings so you can adjust things like language, layout, and more. From the dashboard, tap the three-lined menu icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then choose App Settings. Here's what you can do. Language, tap Language to choose the app's default language and how you'd like content translated. Notifications, set up quiet time by choosing when and which days you don't want to be disturbed. Check your device's notification permissions under Android settings or iPhone settings. Decide which alerts you want to enable or disable under General and Focused notifications. Calendar integration. Here's where you can connect the Cognita Connect calendar with your device's default calendar, so your events and bookings automatically appear in the app. Just follow the instructions to get started. And now, let's personalize the app to suit you just right. You can adjust the way everything looks and feels, from the layout and theme to the font size. Choose between a standard or compact layout, depending on how much you'd like to see on the screen. Switch between light mode, dark mode, or just match your phone's system settings. And if you'd like things a bit bigger or smaller, simply adjust the font size to what feels best. The Parent Portal is where you'll find all key school information related to each of your children, all in one place. To access it, tap the family icon at the bottom of your screen. This will take you to your child's dashboard. If you have more than one child at the school, tap View Another Child to switch between profiles. So, what can you do from here? Here are the most important features to take note of. Report an absence. Just tap the icon, select the date, and enter the reason for your child's absence. Forms. Quickly access and complete any forms the school has shared for this child. Weekly attendance. Check an overview of your child's weekly attendance at a glance. Parents' Evening Bookings. Despite the name, this feature lets you do much more than book parent-teacher meetings. You can also authorize trips, register for after-school activities, sign up for events, and more, all in just a few taps. Please note, this icon will open a built-in external app called School Cloud. To exit this app, just tap the X in the top left corner to return to Cognita Connect. The Cognita Connect Newsfeed is your go-to space for staying up to date with updates from the school. You'll find messages from the leadership team, Cantimus events, new school resources, and open registrations, all designed to help you stay connected with school life. To view the latest posts, tap the newspaper icon at the bottom of your screen. If you like a post, just tap the heart icon. It's a great way to show appreciation and helps highlight what's most engaging for our school community. Never miss an event. Here's how to stay on top of all the important dates and events planned by the school. Tap the calendar icon at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a full view of upcoming school events. These are marked with orange circles. Tap on a specific day to see what's scheduled. Want more details? Just tap on the event name to view all the information shared by the school, including links to join teams' presentations if available. All communication from the school comes straight to your inbox in the Cognita Connect app, so everything's in one place, safe and easy to find. And if you ever need to message your child's class teacher, tutor, or the support team, you can do that right here through Cognita Connect. To get started, tap the speech bubble icon at the bottom of your screen. This opens your inbox. Use the folder icon to switch between your inbox, sent messages, drafts, and more. Tap the plus icon if you want to create a custom folder. Use the magnifying glass to search by subject, sender, or date. The three dots icon displays additional folder options. To read a message, just tap on it. Tap the left arrow to reply to the sender. The double arrow replies to everyone. The right arrow lets you forward the message. And the bin icon deletes it. Ready to write a new message? Tap the pencil icon in the bottom right corner. Enter the recipient's name in the To field. Add a subject and type your message. Tap the clip icon to attach a file, like a photo, video, or document. You can save your message as a draft using the floppy disk icon. And when you're ready, just tap the paper plane icon to send it. In addition to the main features like the parent portal, calendar, messages, newsfeed, and notifications, there are even more helpful tools available in the app. Let's take a quick look at what else you can access from the bottom menu, beyond just app settings. From the dashboard, tap the three-lined menu icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Forms shows you any forms available to complete, all in one place. The hub is your go-to space for useful documents, videos, presentations, and more shared by the school. And finally, Parents' Evening takes you straight to School Cloud, where you can manage parent-teacher bookings and registrations for activities. We hope this helped you get started with Cognita Connect. For any questions, just reach out to the school and feel free to revisit these clips anytime. Thanks for watching.